Social care workers have many meetings to attend, both in online and in person. In this setting, preparing for meetings and switching context to a new situation can be very challenging. For this prompt, we're going to use Microsoft 365 Copilot to prepare for a meeting. This time, I'm in Outlook and I'll choose Copilot from the left-hand rail. In the prompt window, I'll write, "Give me a list of 4 talking points to help me prepare for my next meeting." Now, I need to choose the meeting so Copilot knows which one to look at. So I go to Add Content, and then I scope by meetings, and then I choose the meeting from the list. Now, back at the prompt window, for my source, I write, "Incorporate any emails and messages I've had relevant to this meeting." And then the next part is my expectation. So I write, "Show me background to the talking points and prioritize them so I understand what's important. Show them in simple language." Now, when Copilot returns a list of talking points, it has a background and the importance flag, so it's really clear to me. And at the bottom, I can see all the sources it drew the information from, which is Word documents and some messages, all related to the subject of the meeting. With this prompt, Copilot in Microsoft Outlook helps me prepare for a meeting, saving me time and improving my contribution.